Alright, here we go again. Genetics. I actually really like studying genetics. It's kind of funny that this took me so long to do. But yes, here we have genetics. Chromosomes. There are plenty of chromosomes, but chromosome number 23 is the sex-linked chromosome. XX is for female and XY is for male, but sometimes things go wrong and someone can end up with a pair of strange chromosomes. There's Turner syndrome, where there's only one X chromosome but nothing else. Triple X chromosome, 3X chromosomes, and Klinefelter syndrome, 1Y chromosome and 2 or more X chromosomes. These all go under the category. Go under like a category. And that category is intersex, which is this flag up here. Usually, when a baby is born intersex, they usually fix that, which could be seen as unethical. I don't know, but probably. Here we have Punnett squares, which is a useful tool to help figure out the property of certain genetics. There are dominant traits, which are represented by capital letters, and recessive traits, which are represented by lowercase letters. As you can see here, the mom has one dominant, one recessive. The dad has two recessive, therefore, blue eyes. I should probably hold this back more. Then we have autumn, which can lead to this. Which leads to this. Autosomal disorders. Although not every trait can be good, some disorders can be passed down to the next generation. For the dominant, we have dominant, which is Huntington's disease, which is a nerve disorder, Marfan's, which is a tissue disorder, and achondroplasia, which is basically dwarfism. For recessive, we have sickle cell anemia, pentagonura, and Tay-Sachs. I don't know. Some disorders are linked to the sex chromosomes, like colorblindness. People born with XY are more likely to be colorblind due to having one X chromosome. Pedigree is a family tree used to find out if a trait is dominant or recessive. Here we have a tree. I'm going to give you all a minute to figure out if this is dominant or recessive. Alright. Oh, I should have turned off the pen. Alright. Did you figure it? Were you right? Did you get it right? Or did you get it wrong? And finally, we have the gray area of genetics. Some genes are more complicated and can't be fit into a box. Kind of like how earlier with the sex-linked chromosomes, not everything is binary. We have incomplete dominance. Neither gene is dominant, so they mix together. Like curly hair and straight hair make wavy hair. Codominance. Both of these are dominant, so they mix together. Like blood types. polygenetic traits. Many different variation. It occurs when two or more genes govern a trait. Think of skin color. There are many factors that go into skin color that could be like a whole separate thing itself. But yeah, genetics are really, really interesting to me. I could do a whole thing about that.